Hi everybody, this is Jeff with Agent 509. Just kind of give you didn't get a chance to do much on the social media today, so I thought I'd give you a quick report. Hey, part of Agent 509 being affiliated and partnering with Keller Willams is that we get to attend meetings. And very educational. Taylor, he's the CEO at Keller Willams. His general scope is much broader than us because our scope is really involved with you guys directly. And so we learned one thing today that was quite scary, and that is wire fraud. Somebody in North Central Washington, unfortunately, wired money to an escrow company, and somebody got into their email. And these people are scammers. They're from out of the country, and they're either getting the escrows, or they're getting the brokers, or they're getting yours. And they're changing out of that 14 or 16-digit number. I don't know the exact numbers. They're changing one number, so it looks the same, but they're changing one, and that just occurred here. Like I said, they told us $300,000. So the real lesson for that is before you wire money, make sure you call the escrow company and double and triple check. It's very important. There's no recourse for this, and the FBI is here checking that out. So, man, we pray for those people that lost that money. So, not good. Another part is we're going through major transformation right now. So we appreciate your guys' patience, but this is a process. We think in the next 2 weeks we're going to have this all finished and done. So for our sellers, thank you for your patience as we make updates to our signage and updates to just our systems. We're going to have you guys all come down when we get this all wrapped up, and it's going to be a good partnership. I can already tell. Anyways, other than that, we are closed. The office anyways, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday for the holiday, for 4th of July. So anyways, wherever you guys are at, hope you're enjoying it. Enjoy it with your families, your friends, and by all means, have a great time, right? We live in a blessed area, and we can enjoy the great outdoors here. So anyways, if you guys have any questions, call us tomorrow. We are open, and we're going to be open early tomorrow. We're going to be open at 7 a.m., and we'll probably close late. So if you have any questions on real estate and you just need a quick answer, don't feel free that we need something from it. We'll just give you information that what we can to help you, okay? So anyways, I'm Jeff with Agent 519. I'm going to close shop up here in about half an hour. I wish you guys all the best. Always stay healthy. All the best. Thank you.